everyone, welcome back to the Ag Bio Rooftop Garden here at the University of Saskatchewan. My name is Katie and today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about our parsley here. So parsley is actually a fairly easy herb to grow, but we have been having some issues with it this summer up on the rooftop. So we just wanted to make this short video to kind of explain why we think this is happening. So we are growing our parsley in these raised beds. They're about 6 inches deep. And if I show you the roots of one of these parsley plants here, you will see that its taproot has been growing in this really odd corkscrew shape. Now that is not normal. A taproot should go kind of more or less straight down into the soil. So this corkscrew shape is a really strong indicator to us that we did not give our parsley enough soil depth for it to grow properly. Now we did get some growth, as you can see here, but definitely not as much as we should. So if you are wanting to grow parsley in a raised bed or container, it is totally doable. Just make sure you're planting into something that is minimum 10 inches deep. Thanks for joining us.